Hello, my name is Mohammed Jamaluddin, a student of Accra Institute of Technology, offering IT, Level 3 and the second semester. I'm here to present my Week 6 video. Over the weeks, we have had encounters, that's problems with power outages, so the whole university was shut down. That is the workers, not the students. The workers, because there was no power, so we didn't have to work on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday. The only time we came to work was on Friday. And then when I came on Friday, I started with a new code, trying to lay my hands on a little bit of CSS that I learned from the videos I've been watching over the weeks. But after we went to mocks and came back, we had to pack some servers to the school's university hospital. And then throughout that, we had to clean the place because it was so messy. So we had to clean it out and then pack the servers in. When I came back, I started with a new code. And then this is the code. Talking about the elements I use in my code, I use header. And then this header displays the website name, which is called MBA Closet. And then coming down, I use brand section. And then the brand section ID, it contains the main context of the code. Coming down, I have the footer. The footer is a section that contains my copyright information for my code. And then the styling I use some little bit of CSS styling, that is the font, the size, the color, and then each and every. I also added SRC, and then who specifies the URL of my code. That is the alt, and it provided an alternate text for my image to be embedded into the code. So I added some lists too. That's the unordered list. That's the UL and LI. And then I added paragraphs, and then I added some little bit of ordered list too to it. That's the OL and then the LI. And I named this MBA Closet because that's my nickname. My nickname is MBA. So I started with the HTML basics. So I started with my code, and then the little bit of CSS that I learned, that's the styling. So I added them, the fonts, the margin, the padding, the background color, and then the color. So I came down, I have header, nav, that's the navigation. So here I have the section, and then this is the size, A2, I use A2 here, and then the brand. So let's go down. Over here, I came down to start with my section ID. So I used this one, size 2, popular brands. So let's talk about this. We come down, I inverted divisions into it, that's the class. And then when you go down to my code, I added them, everything, and I even added images to it. So when I run this code, you can see that when I show this, let me copy the code off, show preview. So you can see that here I have popular brands, and then here, so I use color blue inside my code. You can see it here when I'm showing you out here. Yes, blue. So it shows the blue. I use brands like Nike, Puma, Air Force, Gucci, and then Balenciaga, and then the others. So this is my work here. Later that day, my supervisor and my co-workers called me to help them join them to pack the servers to the school hospital. So we packed the servers there. We had to do some cleaning inside some of the rooms because they're so dirty. And then we had to put some of the tools like the cords, the devices, and then everything that was needed for us to set up this server the following week. So I came back from there, and then I had to pack some of the computers from the old department lab to the new one. So some of these included monitors, system units, keyboards, mouse, and then other gadgets. So I asked some of my friends who were also taking their internship there to help me so I could pack them out, since I was in charge, and then I was given the key to always take care of the place. So we packed this out, and then I came back and continued watching some YouTube videos on how to continue with my code and make it a very good one. So after that, we had to close because my supervisor had meeting with some of his co-workers there. So he asked me to close. So that day I closed 2:00 p.m. Thank you.